Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the HGTV Magazine app is and how it's positioned. HGTV Magazine is described on official app listings as a digital magazine platform that provides access to home design, decorating ideas, and lifestyle content for the HGTV brand. According to official descriptions, the app allows users to read full digital issues of HGTV Magazine directly on their device, including articles, photos, and design features. It is also stated that users can explore content focused on home improvement, interior design, DIY projects, and decorating inspiration. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app is positioned in the digital publishing and home lifestyle category, focusing on curated editorial content rather than interactive home management tools. Official descriptions indicate that users can browse past and current issues, allowing access to a library of home design ideas and trends over time. It is also described as offering high-quality images and layouts optimized for mobile reading, which may improve the viewing experience compared to print versions. The platform includes features like bookmarking or saving articles for later reading, although availability may vary depending on the version or subscription setup. Some official materials mention subscription-based access, meaning full content typically requires a paid subscription or login credentials linked to a magazine account. The app may also support offline reading after downloading issues, which could make it easier to access content without an internet connection, although this is not fully detailed across all sources. This app may be useful for users who enjoy home design inspiration and want access to HGTV magazine content in a digital format. For users interested in decorating ideas, DIY projects, and interior design trends, this could be an option. It is important to note that the app focuses on reading content rather than providing tools for managing or designing homes directly. Some aspects such as feature differences between devices or subscription limitations are not fully detailed, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Overall, based on official sources, the app is positioned as a digital magazine reader rather than a hands-on home planning or renovation tool. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.